Toyota has become one of the most beloved car brands around the world due to a combination of factors that have allowed it to excel in various markets. The company's focus on continuous improvement, commitment to customer satisfaction, and innovative engineering have made it a top choice for millions of car buyers. As we explore the history of Toyota, from its founding to the present day, we can uncover several key episodes that have contributed to its global success. These episodes demonstrate how Toyota has adapted to changing market conditions, navigated challenges, and capitalized on opportunities to become the automotive powerhouse it is today. 1. The early days and the birth of the Toyota production system. Toyota's story began in 1937 when it was founded by Kiichiro Toyoda, the son of a successful textile machinery manufacturer. Kiichiro was determined to diversify his father's business and enter the automotive industry. To achieve this, he embarked on a mission to visit the United States to study automobile production. His observations laid the groundwork for the Toyota Production System, TPS, which later became the basis for lean manufacturing. TPS emphasized efficiency, minimizing waste, and continuous improvement, enabling Toyota to produce high-quality cars at a competitive price. 2. Expansion into the U.S. market and the introduction of the Corolla. Toyota's entry into the U.S. market in the late 1950s was a significant turning point for the company. As it faced intense competition from American automakers, Toyota introduced the compact and fuel-efficient Corolla in 1966. This model was perfect for the growing number of American consumers looking for affordable and reliable cars in the wake of the 1973 oil crisis. The Corolla went on to become one of the best-selling cars in history. 3. The birth of Lexus and the pursuit of luxury. In the 1980s, Toyota decided to target the luxury segment, a market dominated by European automakers. To compete, the company created the Lexus brand and introduced the LS400, a luxury sedan designed to rival models from BMW and Mercedes-Benz. The Lexus LS400 was met with critical acclaim, and Lexus soon established itself as a major player in the luxury market, earning a reputation for quality, performance, and customer service. 4. Embracing environmental responsibility with the Prius. Toyota was one of the first automakers to recognize the growing demand for environmentally friendly vehicles. In 1997, they introduced the Prius, the world's first mass-produced hybrid vehicle. The Prius was a groundbreaking innovation that combined a gasoline engine with an electric motor to offer improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. It quickly gained popularity, especially in markets with strict environmental regulations, and paved the way for the widespread adoption of hybrid and electric vehicles. 5. Recovering from the 2011 earthquake and tsunami. The devastating earthquake and tsunami that struck Japan in 2011 severely impacted Toyota, causing extensive damage to its production facilities and supply chain. Despite these setbacks, Toyota's strong leadership and organizational resilience enabled it to recover quickly. The company prioritized employee safety and community support, while also working closely with suppliers to rebuild and restore production. This episode demonstrated Toyota's commitment to its stakeholders and solidified its reputation as a responsible corporate citizen. From these episodes, we can learn several valuable lessons about Toyota's enduring success. The company's dedication to continuous improvement, focus on customer satisfaction, and adaptability in the face of challenges have made it a global leader in the automotive industry. By remaining true to its core values and embracing innovation, Toyota has demonstrated that it can continue to thrive and deliver vehicles that meet the needs of consumers around the world. As we continue to explore the history of Toyota and the factors that have contributed to its global success, it becomes clear that the company's achievements are not only rooted in its ability to innovate, adapt, and respond to customer needs but also in its unwavering commitment to quality, safety, and sustainability. 6. The development of the Toyota Way and company culture. The Toyota Way, a set of principles and practices that guide the company's management philosophy and operations, has been instrumental in shaping Toyota's success. This comprehensive approach to business includes a focus on teamwork, respect for people, and long-term thinking. By adhering to these principles, Toyota has fostered a strong corporate culture that emphasizes problem-solving and continuous improvement, enabling it to maintain its competitive edge in the industry. 7. Global expansion and localization strategies. Toyota's strategy of establishing manufacturing plants in various countries has enabled it to expand its global presence while reducing production costs and addressing local market needs. By adopting localization strategies, Toyota has been able to tailor its products and services to specific regions, ensuring that it remains relevant to consumers worldwide. This approach has also allowed the company to benefit from local talent, resources, and insights. 8. Commitment to safety and advanced technologies. Toyota has consistently placed a high priority on safety, investing heavily in research and development to create advanced safety features and technologies. The company's dedication to safety is evident in its vehicles, which often boast top safety ratings and include innovative features such as the Toyota Safety Sense suite of driver assistance technologies. This commitment to safety has helped Toyota earn the trust of consumers and solidify its reputation for reliability. 9. Collaborative approach to industry partnerships. Toyota has a long history of collaborating with other companies, both within and outside the automotive industry, to drive innovation and create synergies. These partnerships have allowed Toyota to tap into new technologies, share resources, and co-develop cutting-edge solutions. Examples include collaborations with Tesla on electric vehicles, BMW on fuel cell technology, and SoftBank on autonomous driving. 10. Proactive approach to future mobility solutions. Recognizing the changing landscape of the automotive industry, Toyota has been proactive in exploring and investing in future mobility solutions, such as autonomous driving, connected cars, and new mobility services. By staying ahead of industry trends and embracing new technologies, Toyota is well positioned to maintain its leadership position in the global automotive market. These episodes reveal key insights into Toyota's sustained success. The company's commitment to continuous improvement, customer satisfaction, adaptability, and innovation has allowed it to become a global leader in the automotive industry. By staying true to its core values, Toyota has demonstrated its ability to thrive and deliver vehicles that meet the needs of consumers around the world.